start. I'm also start recording this one. Yeah, since morning I got worries. So and okay, other people are coming. So once, meanwhile, I will start something. Okay. I hope you understand this part. Otherwise, you can try once. Okay. Um, okay. Hitesh also came. Artik, Hitesh, and expected three more people. Myself two, so seven. It means three more people has to come. One is Shubham. I don't know what happened to Shubham. Uh, Komal will come. Okay. Amrita disconnected. Komal has to come. That's it. Only three people. Okay, guys. It's okay. So we will see this thing later. Yeah, very good. This one. Mm. Okay. Yeah, whatever the screen it is. Yeah, Komal also came. Yeah, hello. Hello, Komal, Amrita. So still it is showing 10 members. Who is two more members? One is Shubham and Atik. Yeah, Atik is there. Hitesh. Okay, still showing 10 means two more people. Who is missing here? I think it is Shubham and I don't know. Okay, so first of all, I will go to Marvin. Okay, so what is this Marvin? Marvin is belongs to Apache. Okay, so actually Apache is a open source type only, and Apache having lot of tools. Initially, they started with a web application related like HTTPT is a Apache Linux based open source web server. Okay, open source web server. But Apache also started building lot of things. One of the thing is Maven. If you want to know about Maven commands and how to do with the Maven things, so you can go to tutorial points and other kind of stuff also. Yeah, here it is a tutorial points. I went to Maven website. What is this Maven thing? Okay, so Apache Maven is a software project management and a comprehensive tool. Okay, based on the concept of project object model. Okay, project object model POM file. Okay, it is Maven can manage the project's build, reporting, and document from central piece of information. So based on this POM file, it do build. It do build. So already we went to the DevOps things, right? So DevOps, different tools already we seen, and if you um, go to this one, so plan, code, build, and test is there, no? Build and test. So for testing, you can use JUnit or Selenium thing to build different build tools also there. So for example, Microsoft tool also there, no? So that AppV is one kind of build tool from Microsoft as a virtual application virtualization related one, and also it will use it to build the applications. Okay, Java build tool is there. Default build tools are there. Um, um, Packaging related. This is not actually package. It's just a build tool only. Uh, why I forget this one? Install Shield. Okay, install Shield. This is also it's a packaging tool. Okay, so if you have a different files and you want to build into one single package, then we can use install Shield. There are a lot of things are there. So one of the thing is install shield. So whenever you install some applications, then you can see a install shield in a one line. So in a certain applications, okay, like not only a install shield, lot of build tools are there. It's a third party tools, direct third party tools it is. Okay, sometimes you can get a build tools build tools in Java. You can use in DevOps, like that. You can use different build tools. Okay, so these are all comes under build tools only. Okay, Bower, Terraform, CMake, Gradle, Apache Ant is there, Apache Maven is there, like this. Okay, so we can use different build tools to build it. And Maven is not only build a tool, it is also having a test tool itself there. Okay, so the build tool is working based on a form file in a Maven. Okay, it depends upon different perspectives so people are using. So what it will do, so here it is showing in a tutorial points in simple way. So project managed comprehension tool is same thing it is given. Okay, in case of multiple development team environment, Maven can set up the way to work as per standard in very short time. As most of the projects set up as simple and reusable, Maven makes life developer easy while creating reports, checks, build and test automation setups. Okay, so what is the developer will get it? So builds, documentation, reporting, dependencies, SCMs, releases, distributions, mailing list, things. Okay, so different evaluations are there. You can build a Java project in a jar-wise. You can publish project things, develop, build multiple projects together, publish project information, deploy projects like this. Okay, someone connected and disconnected. It's okay. So here different things also there, items and all. So conversion or configurations. So what are the features of Maven? Also you can go through it. So these are useful for a developer or a builders related one. Okay. What are the requirement? Anyway, you need a Java in build Java is required, and so how to install and all it is showing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Maven website. I'm going to download new version. This is a mirror where you are actually different location. So here we have to download based on Windows or Linux based. Okay. So here is zip file means I generally think when you got confused, it is not giving this is belongs to Linux, this is belongs to Windows kind of stuff. This is source file. Like if you want to take Maven and you develop Maven into your thing. Okay. So no minimum requirement. It's just very small tool only. Okay. When you want for Windows, think zip is like a Windows related one. Tar means tar.gz. It means Linux related one. Okay. So I'm using Maven zip file. So I click on it. So it is downloading. It is downloaded. It is 9.2 MB only. Okay. Not completely downloaded. It is still it is showing. Like it's okay. Let it go. Okay. So how to deal with the Maven? So this is my Eclipse. Already I've opened my Eclipse. So I'm going to create a project. So new project. You can see different type of projects you can able to build it. You can see Maven. Okay. And expand, you can create a Maven project. Okay. So different project things are there. We are not went into the deep of project thing. Okay. You can build existing and build file also. Okay. I'm going to create a module or a project or a checkout Maven project from SEM like that it is there. So this is Maven project. Next, it is showing not responding, but okay. So it is creating a simple project if you want it. Otherwise, leave it. Default location only. So want to give any profile or name template kind of stuff. Add project to the things. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Just I said create, right? So it is showing some artifacts and group ID. So if if you have an idea of all these things, then you can select which one you wanted to do it. Okay. So I use Java. Okay, because this is version each one. So you can use one by one anything. Group ID. I'm using group ID is one. Artifact it is one. Okay. So package name is what is your package kind of stuff. I'm going with the package Vedic soft cts something given. So otherwise I will give package name is demo Maven project or project. I will give project one. So demo. What will happen? Okay. So you can if you want lines. Okay. So version name is snapshot one. Okay. If you want to change it also, you can change it. What kind of name it is? Yes. That's it. Okay. If you don't understand also, no. So this is artifact one like that. This is form.exe. You can open form.exe. Yeah, here it is going to say like a it's what is group ID and Maven version one and this is what is your snapshot. When you release each time it is showing like a snapshot only. And if you want to change any other things like a dependencies and all, you can change this one. What package after build? So the package is .jar will come up. If you want var war like that, you can do it also. This is our package thing. Okay, here it will come. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a simple Java file, like the Java hello Java type only. So that is I'm going to create Java thing here. So package is default package public class, and here so class name is my Maven. Okay, so anything. Okay, public void main string also will be added here. Okay, abstract or final things. So source folder is not Java project. Use of default package. This is a default package. Nothing. Yeah, So now it's a capulated, another capulated. Okay, so what will happen? So the new updated giving me a little bit confusion. So this is a package, and then this is my class, and there are a lot of class marks are there. So still I don't know. Actually, I have to build in SRC, right? Main. Okay, main Java resources, Maven dependencies. So, okay, no problem. Just I will go to this one. First is this one, right? So Control C. Just for our understanding, Control V. So instead of yellow hit, I put a hello Maven. So we should check why it is showing these many errors. That's it. Why it is not understanding anything? One second, guys. I will check my these things. GitHub.com/BasicSoft. Right. This is Maven web project. So I didn't done anything in this one. I will take the previous one. Where it is. Yeah, this is good package like this one. So can you see this is good one. srcjava.com like this it should become. Okay. Okay. I will come back to this one. But what happened here? I get one idea. Currently, I will delete this one. I will get back to this one. So just my target is Maven. Okay. What is this? Close this one. Minimize. Go to Git pull. So I will show you just this is already created Maven. So I will show you how to create Maven also, but just wait. This is Git pull, right? Command prompt. Git clone. I'm taking the existing one. Okay, Maven demo Git one. So I got it, right? So then you can see a folder is came. Okay. So this is your Maven thing. So very simple. It's a pom.exe file. So if you open with a notepad, you can see snapshot, jar, Maven, and what is this package, and then you can see other compiler things. This is Java compiler things. Okay. Next one is in src main Java com package, and you can see this is my Java file. Java file is very simple like this. Okay. And here something for loop I created. I didn't remember what I created also, but for loop I created, and this is the package. Now here we are there, right? So then I'm going to cd. What is that name? Maven demo. Okay. First important is go to the cmd MVN. Command name is MVN. Just enter. That's it. Don't do anything. Just enter. It is showing not recognized command. Why? Because of MVN is in Eclipse may dealing with MVN, but we don't have the actual MVN installed one, right? So which is I downloaded now. So I'm going to this one. This is the file. I'm going to extract all, and I want to extract this thing into my second drive is there now. So you go to that drive. Okay, E drive I'm going to extract. Otherwise I'll put C drive. So application means C drive is better option. Extract. Okay, a folder is creating now here. So let it extract. Okay, extracted. Close. It's not extracted completely. It is extracted. Okay. And this is bin file, and these are the Maven commands. Okay. This is a Maven, how Maven will do work. So this is entirely script only. Okay, this is done. What I'm going to do is copy. For temporarily, I'm creating one this one environmental variables. Just I'm adding directly in the path, but actually we should create a proper environmental variables. That is like a M2 dot like that, M2 underscore home. We should create it, but I'm not creating now. Just I am adding into the path. Okay, so then I'm going to again this one. I'll close it. So many things are open here. CMD, MVN, version. Now, can you see it is showing a Java version first of all, and it is showing other things. Okay, and it find MVM home. So you can see MVN 3.6.3, and then it is MVN home also it is showing here. Okay, so if you put MVN only, it shows all the help commands. Okay, very good, very good. It no problem. So let it. Okay. Okay, it is finished. Something error it is showing. So what it is actually doing in this folder, in a current folder, in a current location, if anything Maven projects are there, it is scanning it and it is try to do something with it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this part is completed. So I downloaded Maven from Apache website. Okay, and then I extracted into C drive, and I given a link up to bin like this. Okay, I given up to bin in my environmental variables. Then I check MVN version. It is working. Now close this one also. So I took a MVN Maven demo project from GitHub, and then I'm going to do MVN command in my thing. So can you see demo one? So MVN, just you can put a version command or just a MVN. I'm putting MVN, or I put a MVN clean. Clean means what happened? It will download. It will download all the repository, and based on your project or MVN related repositories, it will download. Okay, from website. So it is scanning your project and it is clean. It means It is download from central repository, the required form kind of stuff, and also it is downloaded from other things also. Now it is clean success. Okay. Next, MVN build tools are there. You want a build tool? Just I'm putting MVN, enter. What will happen? We'll see. I didn't specify anything, so it is giving some error because you didn't specify anything. Okay, but here if you see MVN lifecycle phases: validate, initialize, generate resources, process generate resources, test. Okay, test, package, deploy, install, verify, post clean, clean, pre-clean. These are the basic commands. You need to do in everything. So just MVN. I didn't already clean, right? So I done already clean. Okay. Then I want to test it. I want to test this code. MVN test. So now it is loading everything. See, first it is clean, compile, test. So the test related repositories are downloading. Now test is successful. Compile also there. Already compile is completed based on a thing. Compile, PILE, right? MVN compile. This is only compile. So in compile only compile will work on resources and compile thing. Okay, in a test it is a compile and test also there. Okay, so build command is not there. Actually package command is there. You want to build a package thing, you can do this one. Install or a package. Test compile package. Now this will be going to be created. Can you see this jar file is going to be created inside? Can you see target? The target is not there earlier. Now it is generated. Can you see jar file is created? If you want to run that jar file, you want to run this jar file, java -jar. Oh no, there is okay jar file. Okay, like we can run it. Yeah, it is showing some thing like this. Why? Because of the package kind of link is there, no? So that's why it may show like that. Okay. Okay. So here, if you go to actual Java code, so in this one it is showing this one package. Okay. So because of that. So whatever it is, this is how we can do it. 10 minutes to disconnect. Okay, so what are the commands we discussed? Okay, Marvin, this is done right. In a Marvin, what are the things? Okay, sorry. Okay, here in a Marvin we done MVN clean. So where to put MVN clean also important. Okay, so where we should put it? We should go to that Marvin project. Then only we should do it. MVN clean, compile, MVN test, MVN package. I said package. Okay, it means building. MVN install also there. So we'll see that install also. MVN clean, because why we should give a clean? Because already these repositories, previous things or previous errors, or it will give you a problem. So again, already there, it's in cache, so it will mix with the cache. So I give a clean and then install. MVN clean install. So it will clean everything. Again, it will going to install. Install means it's rebuild the package. So you can see the stuff what is going on. Compile, test, install. This is install one. That is completed. Okay, here installing git pull to user admin m2 repository.com.mvedic snapshot.form. So you have to go to this link because it's install, right? So it is in my here users admin m2 repositories under repository com myvedic demo. This is XML file. Here it is showing here. This is jar file and this is .pom file. Okay. Okay. Executable jar file. Java-jar maven.jar is came. Okay. So this is how we can execute. Otherwise, you can remove. Yeah. First command is correct. That jar is then, but here it give you a column. Why? Because this package related issue is there. Cannot find load class of that one. The class thing, that package, the complete thing. We should find out this. Last time I checked it, but I forget actually this kind of stuff. Okay. So here the install thing is came here. Okay. Group ID .com maybe like this. Okay. So whatever it is. So this is the commands. So in install, so we have to put a clean install. Not only this one, Maven commands are there. So many commands are there. So these are the important commands. Okay. These are all giving paths only. So it is here explaining about what is POM file. Okay, project dependencies, plugins, and build profiles are there. So already I showed one build profile. So like what is your group ID, artifacts ID, and what version? Like that snapshot version is there, no? Same snapshot version. Okay. Guys, how much time? 5 minutes. Guys, it is going to be disconnect in 5 minutes. It means almost 12:05. Come back at 12:15. Okay, take 10 minutes break. 12:15. This is a help effective POM file. Okay, you can take it commands like this and execute here. Okay. Copy. But worst thing is you can't see output in here. Very rarely output will there. Output means like whatever the file thing, we can see output. That's we will satisfy, right? If you give a code, then if you got the output based on that code, you'll get satisfied. But in Maven, it shows always like this: build success, build failure. That's it. Only two things. It's loading lot of things. So different plugins. Okay, here it is having a mention plugin management. So what are the plugins you want to download when you are doing this and so on. This also showing here. Yeah, 3 minutes to disconnect. Yeah, these are the phases: validate, compile, test, package, install, deploy. So deploy means you can deploy into copy a final package into remote repository. This phase install the package in local or remote Maven repository. It will install here. Install means just it will create that build one. Phase create a jar or var package as I mentioned in a packaging in form file. So what did you mention jar or var? So based on that, test the compiled source code suitable for testing framework. Okay, source code compilation is done in this phase. So just compiling. This is testers compiled source code. So validate if project is correct, if all the necessary information is available. So are you given all the information on that? Okay, prepare resources. Resources copying. Resource copying can be customized in this phase. So this is a build life cycle, Maven build life cycles. So guys, you must go through all these things. You know where to go. Otherwise, I will send this code. Okay. Okay. After we connected back, I will show you. First of all, I will show you. Okay. There is so many other things are there. Our default or build life cycle. So same thing with so many commands. Okay. So is it completed? Yeah, finally completed. Site or output directory is created. It's not came. Oh, target site. Target. Yeah, target site. Where is site here? What happened here? I don't. Classes, my way. This is class. I said no. This will come because of that package thing. Okay, guys. So after this one, so we'll go to the